Yo, what is good, everybody? If you're new to the channel, my name is Mason, and if you like all things Hypebeast, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I do have a sneaker giveaway going on, and if you want to know all the details about that, make sure to watch till the end of the video, where I will explain everything that you need to do to win this free sneaker. As you saw in the thumbnail, today's sneaker is very unique. Okay, I've never seen anything like this. So this will be very interesting. I've also never really had a Disney shoe. So we'll also be taking a look at the Disney Adidas collaboration and see how all of that went down. But we have the package right here, guys. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. And if you do not know what these are, they are the Stan Smith something Disney, I don't know, or Mickey Mouse. But we're going to use a big boy knife to open this thing up. I got a big boy knife. Right here. I don't want to cut myself. Okay, I'm not using the big boy knife no more. I need a smaller knife. Okay, here we go. We got our regular knife right here. Ooh, this is trippy. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and say first impressions off of this box. This is a very well done. As you can see, we've got the weird 3D effect right there on the box, and we'll whip out the 3D glasses near the end of the video to show you guys how it actually looks like when it's brought to life, I guess you would say. But we have this nice Mickey head right here for the pull tab. As you can see, Stan Smith, size 7. We got the Adidas and Disney logos right there. Let's go ahead and whip these things out. Ooh, look at that. Look, you even have the 3D stuff right there. They really paid great attention to everything on this sneaker and the box. Okay, so right off the bat, these are very, like, it's a crazy design. Like, you don't want to wear this unless you want this to, like, pop. You know, nobody's going to see the actual effects of this sneaker unless you have 3D glasses on. And I don't think anybody's going to be walking around the mall with 3D glasses on unless you're a crazy person. We've got Mickey right there. Oh, so cute. And then we got this not so cute guy right there. I don't know who that is. Oh, that's Stan Smith. Oh, sorry, Stan Smith. Alright, guys, we got the 3D glasses right there with the Adidas logo. So we got some official Adidas 3D glasses. I never thought that would happen. Here we go. The right shoe. I can't stop looking at this box. Okay, so if you don't know what these shoes do, basically if you've ever seen a 3D movie or anything and taken off your 3D glasses, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about when you are looking at the sneaker. You see how it kind of like hurts your eyes, it's all blurry. So basically, if you take these 3D glasses right here and you put them on, then the whole entire shoe is 3D. Now, I think that's pretty sick. But I mean, of course, nobody else is really going to be able to see that unless you have 3D glasses on. So you may be wondering why I got a size 7. These are actually not for me. These are for my sister. So I'm going to see if she wants to do some on-foot stuff. Oh, look at this. So we got Mickey with his eyes closed right there. I don't know why. And then, yeah, Yeah, I already showed you guys this one, but is he winking? What is he doing? Yeah, he's winking. Cool. I did not notice this. Do the insoles come out on these? I don't want to like rip. No, they don't. I'm just not going to take that out. But if you look in there, the insole is also 3D. That's a really nice touch. And then you just got your standard white laces just like that. Let's go ahead and take a look at these on feet and with the 3D effects and everything. This will be super cool. You know, ultimately you guys are here to see this sneaker with its 3D effects. We're gonna try and see if it will work through the camera, and if it doesn't, I'll obviously tell you guys. But let's go ahead and slide into that B-roll. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the 3D glasses on the camera, and since there's blue and there's a red side, I'll have to do each of them one at a time. So first we're gonna do blue so you guys can see basically what it looks like if you would have the glasses on. There we go, you can see some of the comic better, but it's obviously not going to be the same if you have the blue and red together. So let's go ahead and switch it to the red. There you go. You can see that it's actually very hard to see anything with the red. Okay, so that's pretty much just going to wrap up today's video. I'm sorry it was really hard to try and get you guys to see the actual 3D effects, but you can't really see that unless you're wearing the glasses. But yeah, pretty much those shoes were really interesting and unique, and I hope you guys liked this video. And as I promised you guys, I was going to tell you guys how to enter into the sneaker giveaway. So basically you can just go to my channel page and you can find the sneaker giveaway video, and it should be right at the top right when you enter into my channel page. And you just gotta subscribe and comment sneaker on the sneaker giveaway video. But as always, thank you guys for watching.